Alright, got it all set up, torqued down. Clearance is great. There's nice airflow. Anything to run off. If anything gets caught in there. Sprayed some high heat spray paint, but I had to do a notch on the inside to get it to fold over. Super thick, durable, but this should give me some. I could probably lift the truck from this plate now, aside from the other ones I have over there. I'd much rather be using this. Got an oil leak, yes, but nice. This came from Taboo Customs, protecting your assets off-road. Cool. This is a Chevy Silverado 2016 1500 4.3 liter 4x4. So got some skid protection now. Cool.